Alright, YouTube, back with another video. What this is a budget PC. Cost me about $1.50 altogether. It's running on Intel Core 2 Duo EVGA graphics card. Honestly, I completely forgot which model it was. It's running on 500 gigabyte of hard drive. I think it's Caviar Blue, and 430 watts from Thermaltake. All this, the case is, what is the case? Yeah, it's the Elite, Cooler Master Elite. And what I'm doing now is installing Windows 7. But yeah, everything's just a mess here. Look at that. Mess here, mess there. That's my old Dell keyboard and mouse, which I'm using for this one. And there's a tower, the speakers, sticky notes, that big ass mouse pad from Steel Series that took quarter of my table. As for keyboard, honestly, I'm not that much of a Razer fan. I know you guys would probably hate me for that, but I do have there, if you guys can see that. There it is. This is the, I don't know what edition it is. Tournament edition from Razer Onza. Yeah, I'm actually planning to water cool this, and I'm not talking about no Corsair H100. Like, really water cool it. I don't know if I'm gonna water cool the GPU, the 6970, because I'm honestly thinking of going back to 6990s. I hope I will. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know if you guys seen my setup before, but no biggie. 24-inch monitor, the speakers, subwoofer, and yeah, that's about it. Right now, like I said, what I'm doing is installing Windows 7. Yeah, there you go. I was waiting for it to focus. Installing Windows 7 in this budget PC. And that's it. Stay tuned. My next videos would probably be about let me see if I can show you guys. About these two. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not focusing. Yeah. Project 1.6 ZSNES. It's emulators about emulators on Nintendo 64 and Super Nintendo. Super Nintendo. Angry Birds. I barely play that. The Witcher. Yeah, few games here. Fear 3 is just ridiculous. And Super Street Fighter 4 Arcade Edition. Crisis 2 Beast. But yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned, comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.